Good evening, and welcome all of you to Porcupine Stand here on YouTube. This is Porcupine Stand with Sir Obed. And say so shall say, you can rebranding process no and now you can see that even the title of the page and the URL of the page, officially it has been changed to Porcupine Stand. So Porcupine Stand with Sir Obed. Now that's the title of the page, and you will see your reprocessing. And so if you want pure Kotoko news, just hit the subscribe button and subscribe to it. Now a pure Kotoko. The account is dedicated to Kotoko. Sir Obed TV announcement in Beba, because now Sir Obed TV will be used for something else, whilst Porcupine Stand with Sir Obed meant for pure Kotoko news. So pure Kotoko news, we are back again to give you the news. Now, and a lot of news. And now said, in my last video, in my hint of Fatawu Safiu dragging Asante Kotoko to the PFAG. A process. You go to the PFAG, then it proceed to the Player Status Committee. For now, case no PFAG. Now I'm going to take my time and explain it to you. The genesis and exactly where we are when it comes to the Fatawu Safiu. 8 points. And a Fatawu Safiu are raising against Asante Kotoko. And then meet me about 6 of those 8 points. 6 of those 8 points here on Porcupine Stand. And I'll give you the Fatawu case. I'll give you the Kotoko case. And this time I'll drop my opinion on the case. And I don't have a story about Imu Ibrahim. I have no chantro. Nti any story ya buy the honey the amamu. Enya no pair. Solomon Safutil asem no ho. I'll handle it. I think in the last 3 days, my mama hint na official Ghana Football Association had the statement about one thing. So I'll talk about that. But let's start it with preparation at the training grounds. Asante Kotoko training Egusu Koso. A number of friendly against the team from Techiman. Kotoko team Kunim by 3-0. Isaac Opon, Steve Mukwala, and Abranche friend Bernard Somwa. And then I was talking about the attack of Asante Kotoko, the inclusion of Bernard Somwa, Nicholas Mensah, George Mfege, Enoch Morrison, the options available together with Kalu Atara, and then Julius Ofo Izigi, Subesi Akan, Edema Kumasi Asante Kotoko. So yes, the team is preparing. Don't forget, next week is going to be a busy week for Kotoko. The last time, Moshe channel, we are extremely brilliant. On said, whilst I was talking about Asante Kotoko this season, 2024 matches on my bottom, me refi said, now Asante Kotoko 2024 mobile game against Baby and Go Stars. And I love it when you drop your comments on the issue. And yes, Kotoko Abo match that was 2024, but they will start the second one by going to Tamale and play against Karela United. Normally, you are about the President Kufuor Cup against Nsuatreman. Don't forget, sir, before the first one started, Kotoko Nsuatreman ball a Ghana friendly game at Baba Sports Stadium. The game ended 0-0, and Omutimi try a proper X-ray of the Asante Kotoko team. I mean, the challenges of the Kotoko setup at that time are Omone Nsuatreman a boy. So this is also going to be a wonderful exercise. President Kufuor Cup. Kotoko still in the MTN FA Cup into next week. So Kotoko Timi Uremu na Osha Karela. There's a keeping hopes high in the MTN FA Cup. Again, or the President Kufuor Cup account. Don't forget, say Kufuor Cup Nifu Kotoko Besambo, but the President Cup Ankasa with a sec Memusa. So Kotoko a chance of chasing 4 trophies this second round. ASEC President Cup, Nsuatreman, John Ajekum Kufuor Cup, MTN FA Cup, and the league. And what a wonderful season it will be. Say maybe a season na Kotoko abon homode na crew awe nyina no wetinye dem age ewo ho. So let's see how things will go for next week. But the team is preparing a little bit, no massive injury issues. Injury issues being about for now. Now, let's move on to the other issues. Take your time and listen. Good. Kotoko Solomon Safiu Taylor. No question say the catch him say Kotoko make inquiries our Ghana Football Association on Solomon Safiu Taylor. The corrected story ne say enye player status committee and a Kotoko de Solomon Safiu Taylor ako. Because when you have issues with double registration, you write to the FA General Secretary, and then he would refer the case to the IT department. The IT department ne say enye no kra, end of story. But IT department need to pull those records bar. Then the case will be referred to the disciplinary committee. And then it has been referred to the disciplinary committee. Solomon Safiu Taylor has been given a Monday, up to Monday, to raise his defense. Now, honestly, you know, I case the Bible do say, because Taylor Bebo Bama Kotoko, why na family? Say, our and twas were there for say, the more nice way both parties ebeko. But now, no, there is a battle. The battle being that Taylor and Kotoko our player status committee, where there have been letters to Kotoko. I'm going to say that respond me. Now, Solomon Safiu Taylor a legit case against Kotoko, the other player status committee. In fact, if you sign a player, you don't register the player, you don't allow the player to train. Training the idea we hear FIFA power. Because player ne juma or any training. To match there, you can decide not to allow the player to play. But one more player na anye training pair will take you on. I think for almost 3 months will take you on. You will be charged because you are on the verge of destroying the career of the player. The status committee case, no, a bad thing for Kotoko to defend themselves, even though they are paying him. It's not an issue of future player neka. Make me player neka, but woman prepare. Woman need training po. Into a bad thing. And when you offer baby akwa wetimi akobo. So pushing the player away until akwa brocha most of the time no, they demote you to the youth team to go and train there. Therefore, one team fan we almost say omam anye training because oma ko youth team ekoye training. So denying a player training our implications. Kotoko so say then almost the befa DC. By the end of the day, I think say and both parties need to meet tenacity. Because clearly, the career of Solomon Safiu Taylor at Asante Kotoko too heavy. And yet means CBM. Kotoko clearly almost here Safiu Taylor. So mutually, they should find a way to terminate the contract. It's never too late. And yet too late. And yet too late. Things can be done. Case here call DC, something can be done about it. Safiu Taylor, there so status committee. And also Obed who be so that at the end of the day, no, they will just come to a place where they will terminate the contract. Now will be uncle free. Now Taylor uncle Twane Bobo so a baby uncle Faso. Kotoko can now take Safiu Taylor away from their wage bill, which is 8,000 Ghana cedis every month. They can also take that away from the wage bill and have their peace. Baby, I don't think it's the best. But will be a protecting interest. So let's see how far Adie nebeko na PBR so ebeko ye. Now let's move to Fatawu Safiu. Fatawu Safiu asemno ya chire mo. Now my last video on Fatawu Safiu me ka chire o say or teki team efe Kumasi Asante Kotoko on and he is ready to test the laws. Asemo anamaka ewa hadada. During my last video on Fatawu Safiu, I remember saying it emphatically, said the player is ready to test the laws. Because now I didn't come up from the camp of Fatawu Safiu. Now, they have officially written to PFAG and the catcher said a name drop story. Reason tia man fan ban no pani say out of the 8 points no, na me wo mu trepe. And I was not okay. Today no can light. Ntina numre and na menya details na e ma me ka asem na me bobo point in so me ka ma bo point in so ma bo 8 points and only the mensa ka the letter has been officially sent to PFAG. PFAG atworo Kotoko so that Kotoko will respond to it. From my sources, omo tworo Kotoko enra say Kotoko enso form response embra before PFAG will take the issue to player status committee. So for now, issue ni do player status committee e will PFAG. On say PFAG a Professional Footballers Association of Ghana. Into football bi anya asema, you write to them to let them know asema wenya. Then they will support you and guide you on the necessary steps to take. Now before PFAG beso wasem, normal take issue no on, they write to proper football lawyers because who play no kwa what the contract or the copy of your contract beko and asem krona ato no kwa kobu nkuro what the contract beko what the any other documents available beko na what the kwa PFAG mpanifo no dia then they engage their lawyers, football lawyers, based on the advice our lawyers nbe mo no and check the next step they will take. So if the lawyers neche no compare the rules of the game, which is football, no mo say case we any merita and when our PFAG mo say case we there's no need to continue. But mo some no mo engage your lawyers both local and outside because PFAG is under FIPRO. So they represent FIPRO in Ghana. FIPRO soon protective footballers all over. So they have counselors they first send the case to. Dear Omobeka no ene chere. Nti wunya hu se PFAG eta player bi achi e de asem call any of the disciplinary bodies so hu se they already have grounds and belief that based on the rules they have a higher chance of winning the case. And yes omo so wa asem omeka to say twaso. But omo ka se pursue the case pe na so omo bibi omo gina so. Now they've written to Kotoko for Kotoko to respond before on Monday. If and China memeneda assemble between PFAG Kotoko and Fatawu Omentimi anka, then they will take the case straight to a year player status committee. Now Chiroko PFAG o capture PFAG dear o pese omoyema, and those are the 8 points. Maybe can one some. 1. Fatawu say or pass medicals. According to Fatawu, he passed medicals and he got injured at the training grounds of Asante Kotoko. The Fatawu come on here say Oba Kotoko no omo ye ne medicals and sana all signing. Oye medicals new your signing you know. Oko training nuko prior. Oko prior and sana omo ye other tests. Na eno na kwa yi ne pra no edi aba abonten. Therefore, he was fit before signing for Kotoko and he picked the injury at the training grounds of Kotoko. Enunti condition na Kotoko di shame say when officially medicals the contract is invalid no. Fatawu say enye no kore. Nti omumbo sa part ningu. 2. O demanded damages. Damages and it different from contractual obligation. Remember how so. But O demanded damages worth 400,000 Ghana cedis. Titisikan 4 billion. Every Kotoko say Kotoko edi asema enye no krato ne so. Say what the pressure no ho ena abebo club no. Ebre enye no kre. Inti Kotoko egu n'anim ase. Akire wiase nyina say oye medically unfit. Enunti no say nimgu ase no oje 400,000 Ghana cedis, 4 billion edi free Kotoko because prano obe prawo training enye say oba no baba be fail medical because ono de onim so pass medicals. 3. Also Kotoko deny no an obvious chance of signing for another club, which in this case is Midiema. We can nyina o promise FM. Me kan wa ha de amount. You say Koko sign ya ma Midiema. Ena Kotoko from frɛ no. Intimasi na no aduane foforo ho kwan. Ama transfer window ni ya close. The close transfer window ni wie. Ansa na Kotoko age to just say or failing medicals. Into fees abre he cannot legally join any other Premier League club. Nanka mposo peso ko baby kwa Kotoko asan gu nanim ase. Na nya Kotoko nkwa na oba. Tinse nka Kotoko ne mpena. De nti no manja na ama na nko ni media ma. Point number 3. Point number 4. Me dey ma say o demand apart from damages no o demand full payment of a salary the 2 years deal oni Asante Kotoko signing. See contract no bosom ya ketua 10,000 Ghana cedis. Inti Kumasi Asante Kotoko yi se manfa kwan paso entwa contract ni. Amuni nyina so bi amudi twa me contract no. Me jemo me salary ni nyina for 2 years na me signing ya. Eno enka damages no we different. And here point number 4. Point number 5. Me dey ma oni ese. Me de miensa na be ko china. Ni nyina kuta ma me de miensa na be ko china. O se enam se Oba Kotoko no medically fit. No be proud Kotoko training grounds no. He got injured as a player of Asante Kotoko. Therefore, Kumasi Asante Kotoko should be responsible for his medical bills. Also, Oba no, he was declared medically fit and was signing. Inti Kotoko training asinoku pray. Na se meye adwuma ma na me pra de a esese wo e na wo hwe me. Inti ni pra no Asante Kotoko mum and say take care of his medical bills. This is 5 out of the 8 points according to my sources. Ma peke our case Abdul Fatawu Safiu aloji eti Asante Kotoko. Our players status committee. Professional Football Association of Ghana PFAG or the akoto menim the mensa kano and amediama to account why the contract was valid. Because he was medically fit too. Waka damages in Guasie. I so far we are seeing no biasi with pressure no ho on your fit. Waka wansem. Waka proud Kotoko training grounds and unti ese Kotoko na head. Waka the salary are all this kenny na. And waka say transfer window no so yakurusi. Inti so ni baby akọ. Inti opportunity fufuru nya ya e media ma Kotoko ankono. Kotoko so pamon at the time not transfer window ni close. Into 8 cases. Oh, may ye be free. Me say 8, mama was 5. Because if you didn't so say but a channel pa. I say me di shame nam de ko yerepa. Means me can in our say Obed TV. Ade as means me can in our Porcupine stand. With say Obed. I say me je be free kakra. Channel pa. Be 10 o'clock ma drop o train. That time I share you ma say wa yerepa. Ma channel wa ha. Me akoyi. So this is Fatawu. The catcher said now some of the not the management of Kotoko but inform kebi o Kotoko no man kasa but antentam. Now this is what I would say. Me share a very big secret. My catcher said before PFAG beso case no mo GDA so bet me away because of my contact. And I spoke with a lawyer. Many lawyer be din komo. And lawyer na semne say based on his little knowledge in football. Okay. Say Abdul Fatawu Safiu can prove say at the time he was signing the contract, na Kotoko and all medical tests. They were not waiting for a resource say eba. Ti assembly or say so bet me approve na Kotoko and medical test bi ama results ni nyina aba. And na sign ya. And Kotoko were not waiting for any results. Because I explained the terms and conditions, and cannot say okay, Kotoko can have a legitimate case. But as I said at the time, I not play an sign no. Kotoko for catcher and say, yeah, lab 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. They say lab no 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 naba 2 enyamba. It says 2 niba no one pass your contract we a fail. That is the condition. But I say prana Kotoko for can wasem no. Say after oko training no mo ko twa sa ho no scan dia. Ntimi nka se ka medicals no. I don't know if you understand. Inti oko adwuma foforo. Ni atwe moja. Be se be lab A, lab B, lab C, lab D. But ye hia won tem. Enu nti no sign a contract no. Se si e no signing. Lab A B C D A B C na aba akadi. Enti se D ni ba na wa failure contract ye nya adwuma ye twem. Nemom o ma nipa ne hye adwuma ase. Na time no sign no. Enya lab awaye dada a wo twa results. Nemom o hye adwuma na ase. Ansa na o koye ne lab bi. Na results ne ba na wa be kaso wa fail bi a ye njintu. The moment he starts, Ansana all conducted that lab. Honey, dear, won't mean cast on the free baby nearby. That is the explanation a lawyer and the mammy. In Fatawu's case, if the scan now could try and just scan a moment try to order that, or more train results. And as our results nearby and ever confirm Sabo in the pra, Nemo see training grounds who ye. Ansana omuko twa scan na untimi fa nka medicals no untimi nka se medicals awaya ato dada no nti o se enya saa na se play betimi abebo 2 months later no akoye ne scan no so wepra wa fili medicals no nti se bia medicals no ma ye ho results ni nyina guo na mo twa bi e na dada na waye no dada no e ho results ba ya. You have a legitimate case. That means it was before he was coming. But if we results ni nyina ba and was starting and sana or starting and obey fufra, then the boy has a case say he was fit. But or join one and a true process no about pra. The Kotoko management should please listen. They will be regarded as one of the best if case we omudin kunim. Bia bebo mabaso. Said then they protected the pairs of Kotoko and they did the right thing. But if boy in your man are listed because they are others cramming young kind, which deals with money, says that damages winning my boy now. I'm not sure that Asante Kotoko fans any management home job. So this is a case study to the IMC. It's a case verdict by, so we cannot say anything against anybody. But interesting times ahead in the Fatawu Safiu story. This is Porcupine stand with Obed. Mamen Famunsiha. Never to us watching. Bye bye.